退入的时候提前让，提前空余位置出来，车直接就会入。What the fuck?
Oh my god! 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 Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh my god! We should get out. Oh my god. Oh.
Follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Radisson Brunei to know more. Radisson Hotel Brunei Darussalam, where every moment matters. Book now and celebrate togetherness with us.
Met with the rest of the world, and especially the eyes of the Americans, is how can this be allowed to happen? What you saw in that room with the standing ovation, he is met.
Impact detected. Connecting to the emergency.
Man.
This is the economy news from the Julie Girls Studio.
Them to make any kind of mistake so they can erode their credibility, and I don't want to see that happen. So I want to make sure that we're double and triple. We're seeing these.
I didn't think I'd make it. I was in.
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй. Ой, сука. Все. Питер, блядь. Как это он так? Любимая, ну не позволит уже.
И предназначена для передачи.
Оу! Что это? Ах ты, блядь, сука!
It's also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil, but because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route.
Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Well, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
Look at him, look. Look at you, roll down.
What? What does that mean?
Amazing. Oh!
In the police car. Oh. Did he do that on purpose?
Yeah, he was being chased.
Oh my god, he was. That has happened so often. Oh, damn.
Fuck's sake.
Call 911, call.
One of my roommates loves the bath, like, when she's drunk. Like, she... Oh my god! What the fuck? Hold on, I'm like...
What the fuck is that? Fucking stop! Get... Oh, you idiot!
But in an oral culture, there's no way to compare the text because you've heard it, and you just have to remember it to know if this next.
What the f*** is wrong with you?
better laundry?
Oh shit.
5G home internet keeps getting better. Get our fastest.
Guys, I find it so surprising that their racism caused them to basically disown their daughter on her wedding day, and now they're wanting to come back into Obi's lives because of her kids. And guys, I understand that